Wapas Bazaar. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my protein pancakes. This is another part I suck at. What was I doing wrong? Have adult supervision in the kitchen, kids. Okay, some olive oil. See, I'm also notorious for boiling my pancakes. There we go, not bad. We should also start making a compote. Nice. Put some water. Just add more sugar because it's going to need to be sweet anyway, right? I don't know. What are we waiting for? It's boiling now, which is good. We want to reduce it. I don't know what that means, but I think it just means you have to let it chill for a bit. I also had cinnamon into this. You guys missed that. That's a very good one, I must tell you. What? Hi, Bambi. Now my mother's also coming into the kitchen. Both of them want to pile on to this. Last one is a perfect one. It is round. It is not discolored. Learn something every day. Guys, I've actually learned so much making it this time because I was explaining it, so I was thinking about it. Whereas I brainlessly and I don't pay much attention. 3, 2, 1, we're done. This goes straight into this. Let's take these two attempts and hide them underneath a little bit. Started here, got here. This one. I don't know how you're supposed to do this. There you have it. Voila! My protein pancakes. The easiest way to get your daily dose of vitamin C is by having tomatoes. थोड़ा सा घी, करी पत्ता. It makes it smell really good. हरी मिर्च, थोड़ी सी हल्दी, crushed peanuts. असली मजा इसमें आता है. खुशबू आने लगी. Now the tomatoes. जीरा पाउडर और लाल मिर्च. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है खूब सारा धनिया. ये मजेदार सब्जी जौ की रोटी के साथ खाइए या फिर बाजरे की रोटी के साथ. And it's so nutritious.
So since the house help are also practicing self-isolation, me and Izzy have decided to take turns to do the washing up. So I thought I'd do a little refresher tutorial for those of us who have forgotten a bit. So first I was deciding, should I lather each bowl, rinse it and put it in the rack? But then I decided there's a better way to do it. Just fill up the sink, put all the dishes inside, okay? And then turn off the water so you don't waste water also. Then lather all of them and then put them back here and then rinse them off. Got it.
We're all doing our part. We're all doing our part.
But I just did this in the still dirt.
Those brooms also shed a little bit.
Actually, not a bad idea.
Yeah.
father, mom.
I'm waiting के मने चने फूडी नानो मने I want to make halim and all that, no? So I eat cut. I don't eat the paste. I'm just thinking. Actually, what is happening is the dandies are too big. Fudina is not too much. See, पत्ता जो कितना
Hi everybody, since we have a lot of time on our hands, I thought I'll use it a little constructively and calmly. Of course, you got to stay safe and healthy. I thought I'll make some Malabari vegetable stew today, which we all love at home. I have this recipe that I borrowed from my mother, a bit of it from my mom, and a bit from a very dear friend of mine who's a wonderful cook, Monica, called the Cook and Curry. So yes, this is my yummy Malabari vegetable stew, which is great for the soul. Great for immunity, and I'm going to have it with some steamed white rice, and also I have some bread over here, chickpea gluten-free vegan bread, which my friend Ravina made for me, this bread. So yeah, I'm going to probably have it with that or with white rice. Yeah, so stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Today we're making khayali pulao. It's a slightly complicated recipe, but you have Master Chef Ada to the rescue. Preheat the pan and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add some jeera, some finely chopped tomatoes, diced carrots, and some peas. Some finely diced capsicum, cauliflower and boiled potato, some garam masala. Add your pre-cooked basmati rice and saute. I think this needs some water. Cover it and let it simmer for a while. Inhale the aroma. Garnish well with some lime. And your khayali pulao is ready. अरे नमक ही नहीं है.